student, last lecture we take the value of the determinant of 2 by 2 order determinant. We convert and continue the 3 by 3 order determinant if determinant D is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So obviously we have to define how. A11, A12, A13 available in a first row. A21, A22, A23 available in a second row. A31, A32, A33 available in a third row. Now in a first column, A11, A21, A31, these elements are available. Second column, A12, A22, A32, these elements are available. And in the last column, that is column number 3, A13, A23 and A33 are available. These position indicate the number of row and these position indicate the number of column. Be particular about these notation. Now, my question is how to find the value of such 3 by 3 order determinant. Last lecture, we have to must revise this question again to solve the example based on this value of determinant of order 3 by 3. Just revise. I take A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. These number of 3 columns and number of 3 rows are available. Now, before reaching this step, we continue from this step. In this 3 by 3 order determinant, be particular that first row is always skipped with 1 by 1 column. How? Here, A11 is the first element available in a first row and first column, that is center element of the row and column. So that's why we can take A11 here. Now we have to skip these two elements. Which two elements? A12, A13, A21 and A31. So I skip that element. What elements are remain? A22, A23, A32 and A33. Be clear? Now, the first row we have to skip. Now, second column we have to skip. What is the center of that element and the row and column? That is the A12 is the element available in a second column and first row. So, A12 we should write here and minus is always there. You have to must remind this step. Minus is always available in a second term of the determinant. Now, we have to skip the second column and first row. So, we have these A22, A32 skip and these two elements A11 and A13 skip. So, we derive A21, A23, A31, A33. Now, we have to skip now first row same but third column. So, what is the center of such third column and first row? Yes, right. That is A13 element. So, we should write A13. So, what is skip? These and these skipping. So, which element we derive? A21, A22, A31 and A32. So, we should write here. Once again, I explain because it is very important to derive the value of determinant of order 3 by 3 in further examples. So, this is 3 by 3 order determinant. First row and first column skip, which is the center element, that is A11. You should write here. So, these and this skip. What is derived? A22, A23, A32, A33. Now, same situation for the second, but middle sign is always negative. So, what is the center of column number 2 and row 1 is the A12. You should write here. And what is keeping this column 2 and row 1? So, what is remaining? A21, A23, A31, A33. Plus, obviously, Last, third column, first row. Which element is in the center? Obviously A13, so we should write here. So we derive to skip the row 1 and column third. So we have to skip that element. So which is remaining element? A21, A22, A31 and A32. We understand this step by taking example based on that and clear about the concept. I should write the general step we derived just above. So, first example, I will have to take example number 2. If 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 6, 2, 7, 4 are available in 3 by 3 order determinant, I put the general term A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. From the general term, evaluate the value of we compare all these value with these general terms of determinant. So, we put A11 is 1. We skip first column and first row. We remain 5, 6, 7, 4. I should write here 5, 6, 7, 4. Second term is always negative. So, that's why I take the minus sign outside the determinant. So, we have to skip now second column and first row. So, we have to remain 1, 6, 2, 4. So, I should write 1, 6, 2, 4. Now, last one, A13. That means third column element and first row remains skip. So, what is the remaining? 1, 5, 2, 7. So, we should write 1, 5, 2, 7. Now, we have to remind this step again. So, I want to revise this again. Always remind that 1, 2, 3. So, you should write elements 1, middle is minus 2 and 3. Then they are minus. These are called the minus. How we should write? We have to skip first row, first column, which is remaining 5, 6, 7, 4. You should write here. Then next, second column, first row, 1, 6, 2, 4. I should write here. Last column and first row, 1, 5, 2, 7. Now we know that A, B, C, D, the 2 by 2 ordered determinant is available. Then we have to take AD minus BC. So 5 into 4 remains same. Middle is minus always. 7 into 6. Minus 2 remain outside the bracket. 1 into 4 and 2 into 6. So I should write here. Next one plus 3 remain as the same. 2 into 5 and 1 into 7. So in 1 into 7 you should write first right hand side. So 1 into 7 minus 5 into 2. So 5 into 4 is 20. 7 into 6 is 42. Minus 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 2 into 6. So minus remain as the same. 2 into 6 is 12. And 1 into 7 7. And 5 into 2 10. So we derive minus 22 is the answer of 20 minus 42. 4 minus 12 answer is minus 8 because the bigger sign is negative and this one is positive. So subtraction between these two numbers we derive this way. 7 minus 10 minus 3. So we have the minus 22 into 1 minus 22. Minus 2 into minus 8. Be careful, minus into minus plus. So plus 16 and 3 minus 3 negative into positive is always negative. So we derive minus 9. We have to simplify. We derive the final answer is minus 15. So we take one more example based on that. We should apply to solve 3 by 3 order determinant using pencil also. How? Let us try. I given the example. We have to find the determinant of 312, 485 minus 10 minus 3. So we should write the bar bracket 312, 485 minus 10 minus 3. 3 rows and 3 columns are available. So we have to find the value of determinant of order 3 by 3. So first row and first column we have to skip, but 3 is center element. So we highlight that element and take the cancellation these also using pencil. So we derive what? 850 minus 3. Minus is obviously between. Next one center element is 1. So first row and second column is skipped. So 1 is the center element. We should write these and these goes. So that's why 3 and 2 cancel. So we derive 4, 5 minus 1 minus 3. So minus 8 and 0 get cancelled. So that why we have to cancel that one. Last one, our first row, third column. So we skip 3, 1, but center element is 2 and 5 and minus 3 will cancel. So what are the remaining element? 4, 8, minus 1, 0. We should write 3 here. The minus 1 is there because the middle is minus. Always remind that. So 1 is the coefficient here, the center of the second column and first row element. So we should simplify this way. Now we have to simplify 8 into minus 3 minus 24. 0 into anything is 0. Be particular about that thing. Minus 1 remain as the same. 4 3s are minus 12 and minus 1 into 5 minus 5, but middle sign is minus. Be particular about simplification. Plus 2 remain as the same. 4 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into 8 minus 8. We simplify and we derive the final answer is minus 49. If you should use the pencil to cancel this way also, you derive the same answer further I given in this step. So both the method is applicable. So we revise that thing. I take the next example. It is look like this way also. How? Minus 4 minus 6 2, 5 minus 1 3, minus 2 4 minus 3. Let us try for this example. If we have to find the determinant of this, you should write the bar bracket and elements remain same. Minus 4 minus 6 2, 5 minus 1 3, minus 2 4 minus 3. So same trick apply. Minus 4 is the center of the first row and first column. Remaining are cross, so we have to cancel, and minus 1 3 4 minus 3 I highlight that thing. Next one, minus symbol is there but minus 6 is there, so we should take the element with their sign also. So here minus 6, how it is possible? We have to skip second column, first row. So what is remaining? 5 3 minus 2 minus 3. Now our last column and first row we have to skip, but the center element is 2, so you should write here 2. So these elements get cancelled and we remain 5 minus 1 minus 2 4. We have to simplify. Minus 4 remains same. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. 4 into 12. So remaining answer is minus 9. Minus plus 6 is there. 5 3s are minus 15. Minus plus 6. It is obviously minus 9. Plus 2 remain as the same. 5 4s are 20. But 20 plus 20 minus 2 is 18. So we have to simplify. 36 minus into minus plus, so 4 into 9 is 36. 6 into 9 it is 54, but minus sign is there, so that's why it is minus. 2 into 18 is 36. We simplify 36. 36 is obviously it is 72. 72 minus 54, it is obviously 18. Now this way also we have to directly solve. First two methods are applicable. Directly you have to get practice on that example. You derive the 3 by 3 order determinant value easily. Trick remind that first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. To continue the examples, we should take the example based on this. How it is possible? I write the general term. So find the x is there. 4 3 9, 3 minus 2 7, 11 4 x equal to 0. In the right hand side they given 0, but in a previous example direct evaluate the value of the determinant they given. So be careful about this step. If left hand side is given only, you have to find only value is equal to. But if they given is equal to 0 or any determinant, so we have to must solve the right hand side also. So now we have to take the example. Find x if 4 3 9, 3 minus 2 7, 11 4 x. In this third row and third column the element is x. No matter, we have to solve the usual way. We have to take the first row and first column